Welcome! If you want to customize keyboard theme with your own picture or photo in BLACKVIEW Tab 8, at the first you have to go for the settings, then scroll down and move to the system, then click on the languages and input, select virtual keyboard and move to the Gboard. Next, find theme and click right here. Right now we are moved for the gallery. We can pick the picture that we want to apply. I'm going for this picture, and as you can see right now we are able to take we can scale and take the part of the picture. I think that I'm going to take this part. Click next and set the transparency. I will go with 68%. Click done. Then we can activate key borders. Click apply. And right now just take a look right here, and that's how our keyboard theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.